Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the control statement in Python. In the control statement, first of all we will talk about the selection construct, and in this selection construct we have the keyword if. So if is used to check the condition, and if the condition is satisfied then only the statement will be processed. That is the simple if statement. So how we'll write the if statement? So first of all you have to write the if, and then here we have to provide the condition. So whatever the condition you have, just you have to provide the condition. Okay, so this time suppose I am writing here the condition is 10 greater than 20. Okay, so here is the condition that 10 is greater than 20, and if it is satisfied then we have to provide some statement. But before writing some statement, the if statement should be terminated by colon symbol and then press enter. And here the PyCharm is automatically maintaining this indentation. So whatever the statement you will write over here, that is to be treated as under the control of if statement. So if the condition is satisfied, then whatever the statement you will write over here, so this statement will be processed, right? So if I will write here that print hello, okay, so if the condition is satisfied then this hello will be printed, otherwise it will not print hello. So this time the condition is false, so obviously it will not be printed, right? So it is not displaying anything. But if I will change the condition like this, the 100 is greater than 20, and this time the condition is satisfied, so it will print hello, right? If I am trying to provide more than one line of a statement, that if I have written here, it is the second line, okay, so this two line is treated under the control of this if statement. So if the condition is satisfied, then this two line of the statement will be processed, right? And if the condition will not be satisfied, then this two line will be ignored, right? So this time the condition was satisfied, that's why the statement has been printed. Clear? But if I will move this statement to here, that print, and this is your second line, then this line will not be treated under the control of this if statement, because it is not maintaining the indentation. So this line is to be treated as out of this if control statement, right? So this time it will print the second line, and the first line is printed because the condition was true. But if I will change this condition to 10 is greater than 20, again this condition becomes false. So under this condition the only one line has been controlled. Clear? So if the condition will be satisfied, then this line will be printed. If it is not satisfied, then this line will not be printed. But this line is not coming under the control of this if statement, right? So this line will be printed whether the condition will be true or false, right? So this time the condition was false, that's why this line is not printed. But this is the line which is not under the control of this statement, so every time we will run the program it will be printed. Clear? So if you are trying to write the multiple line of a statement under this if condition, then you must have to make this indentation, right? So in this indentation we have to write all the multiple lines. Like if I will write here the third line, then this third line will also be treated under this if statement. Okay, so if the condition is satisfied, then this whole line will be displayed, and if the condition will not be satisfied, then this whole line will be ignored. Alright, so nothing has to be displayed. But if I will change it again here to 100, then it will be printed. All three lines is printed.